Good morning. Today we will learn how to write part program for slot milling. First, write down the problem. Write a part program to machine. Write a part program to machine 6 millimeter slot 6 millimeter slot as shown in figure. Use 6 millimeter diameter end mill. Assume slot depth 2 millimeter and part depth is 8 millimeter. The reference plane is 7 millimeter above the workpiece surface. Then you have to draw the part drawing as shown in figure. Then after drawing the part drawing, you have to study the part drawing carefully. It is 80 by 60 millimeter MS plate having thickness 8 millimeter. On this part, on this part, you have to draw. You have to cut a slot at center as shown in figure. The slot depth is 2 millimeter. You have to use 6 millimeter end mill cutter. The slot thickness is 6 millimeter. Is it clear? And total slot length is 70 millimeter. And the center distance between the arc is 50 millimeter. Then outer arc radius is 10 millimeter and inner arc radius is 4 millimeter. Is it clear? Then after studying the part drawing, you have to find out a tool path for machining a slot. As shown in figure, the tool path is 1, 2, 4, 3 like this. And you have to find out the coordinate at the center of the tool, that is center point. Small circle shows the cutter, and you have to move the cutter, find out the coordinates from this considering the radius of the cutter. Therefore, the cutter movement to cut a slot, it will move along the radius 7 millimeter. Is it clear? Outer radius is 10 millimeter, inner radius is 4 millimeter, and center of this radius is 7 millimeter. Means, as shown in figure, the center path is having 7 millimeter radius. Is it clear? Then you have to cut a slot at center of the workpiece, that is 30 millimeter from the work 0 point. First you have to find out the locate the work 0 point. As shown in figure, the workpiece 0 is corner of the workpiece. But as mentioned in the problem, the reference plane is 7 millimeter above the workpiece surface as shown in figure. Generally, we are taking reference plane at the top surface of the workpiece, but it is mentioned in the problem that reference plane is 7 millimeter above the workpiece surface as shown in figure. Is it clear? Then you have to find out the coordinates as per G90, means absolute coordinate measuring system. The first, how to find out the coordinates? First point, that is point 1, you have to prepare the table. Point 1, having the coordinates, x coordinates 15. How it is 15? The slot distance from the edge of the one edge of the part drawing is 5 millimeter plus radius 10 millimeter, means 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. X coordinate is 15. Then you have to find out the coordinates, y coordinates. that is center distance is 30 plus inner radius is 4 and center path of the cutter travel is 3 millimeter. As cutter diameter is 6 millimeter, the center path is 3 millimeter. Therefore 30 plus 4 plus 3 equal to 37. These are the coordinates of the point 1, x 50, y 37. Is it okay? Then you have to find the coordinates of point 2. First, x coordinates. How will find the x coordinates? The center distance between the arc is 50 plus inner radius of the arc is 4. Inner radius of the arc is 4. Then plus 3. Sorry. Along the y direction, your slot is at center. The center is at 30 millimeter. 30 plus inner radius 4 plus 3, that is cutter radius 3. 30 plus 4 plus 3, therefore 37. Y coordinates of the point is 37. 30 plus 4 plus 3, therefore 37. Then find out the coordinates of point 3. X coordinate is 65, that is 50 plus 10 plus 5, 65. And y coordinates, you have to find out the y coordinates. At the slot is a center, 30 minus 4 minus 3. 30 inner radius 4 and cutter radius 3, therefore 23. Is it clear? Y coordinates of the point 3 is 23. 30 minus 4 minus 3. Is it clear? Then coordinates of the point 4. 15. X coordinate is 15. 10 plus 5. Outer radius of the curve is 10. Distance between the edge and the slot is 5. Therefore 10 plus 5. 15. And y coordinates remain same, that is 23. 30 minus 4 minus 3. Therefore 23. Is it clear? Here you have to find out the coordinates very carefully to machine a given slot on the workpiece. Is it clear? I will again repeat. Point 1, coordinates of the point 1, 15. Y coordinates is 37. 15 means 5 plus 10. Then y coordinate is 37. 30 plus 4 plus 3. 37. Then point 2, 65. 50, center distance is 50 plus 10 outer radius plus 5, that is 65. Y coordinates remain same, 37. 37. Then point 3, x coordinate is 65. 50 plus 10 plus 5, 65. And y coordinate is 23. 30 minus 4 minus 3, therefore 23. Coordinates with point 4, 15, 10 plus 5, and y coordinate is 23. 30 minus 4 minus 3. Is it okay? After finding the coordinates, you have to write a part program. P001 is a program number. First block N10 G28 U00 V00 W00, end of the block, that is machine home position. Then N20 G90 G21 G94. G90 means absolute coordinate measuring system. G21, all the dimensions are in metric system. G94, field rate in millimeter per minute. Okay. Next, N30, M03, S100, M08, end of the block. M03 means spindle start in clockwise direction and spindle speed is 800 rpm. M08 coolant on. Is it clear? The next block, that is block number N40, G00, Z7, end of the block. What is the meaning of this block? Now your tool is at machine home position. You have to bring the tool from machine home position to the starting point of the operation, that is point 1. Point 1 is our starting point of the operation. Therefore, first you have to bring the tool above the workpiece surface having 7 mm distance, that is reference plane is 7 mm, means you have to bring the tool from machine home position to the reference plane which is 7 mm above the workpiece surface. Is it clear? Now your tool is 7 mm above the workpiece surface. Then you have to bring the tool at point 1 with a rapid traverse, that is G00, X15, Y37, end of the block. This is block number N50. G00 means rapid traverse. Any coordinates of the point 1, X15, Y37, end of the block. Now your tool is as point 1, which is 7 mm above the workpiece surface. Here you have to give the depth of cut. What is the depth of the slot? 2 mm. Is it clear? Depth of the slot is 2 mm and your tool is 7 mm above the workpiece surface. To give the 2 mm depth of cut, you have to plunge the tool inside the workpiece 2 mm, that is 7 plus 2, that is 9 mm. Here you have to, as the tool is plunged inside the workpiece, you have to use the code G01 because there is a direct contact between the tool and workpiece. Therefore, block number 60, N60, G01, Z-9, field rate is 80, F80, end of the block. Means during the block number 60, depth of cut is given. Is it clear? 7 plus 2, that is minus 9. Means your actually tool movement is 9 mm, but depth of cut is 2 mm. Is it okay? After giving the depth of cut, you have to move the tool to the point 2 in linear interpolation function, that is N70, G01, and give the coordinates of the point 2, X65, Y37, end of the block. Your tool will be travel from point 1 to point 2 linearly. Straight cut is there. Is it clear? Then observe the figure. From when the cutter moves from point 2 to 3, there is a circular path. Therefore, you have to use circular interpolation function. Then you have to observe its direction. Is it clockwise or counterclockwise? If it is clockwise, you have to use the code G02. If it is counterclockwise, you have to use the code G03. As shown in figure, the cutter moves in clockwise direction, so that you have to use the circular interpolation in clockwise direction, that is code G02, and mention the coordinates of point 3. Therefore, block number 80, G02, X65, Y23, R7, end of the block. Is it clear? You have to mention the cutter movement radius. Cutter move from 2 to 3 along the radius having 7 mm. Is it clear? Your cutter path is centrally, therefore radius is 7. Is it clear? Then Move the cutter from point 2 to 4 in linear direction. Therefore, you have to use the code G01, that is linear interpolation function, and write the coordinates of the point 4, that is block number N90, G01, X15, Y23 end of the block. Is it okay? Again, when the cutter moves from point 4 to 1, again there is a circular interpolation. Curve path is there. You have to machine the curve path along the radius 7 millimeter. Is it clear? Therefore, again you have to use here the circular interpolation function, and cutter moves in clockwise direction, so that you have to use the code G02. Is it okay? That is block number N100, G02, X15, Y37, R7 end of the block. Is it clear? During the block number 100, cutter moves in circular path, that is from point 4 to 1. Then after completing the machining operation, you have to retract the tool and it should be reached at its initial position, that is block number N110, G00, Z7, that is initial position tool. Means tool will move in vertical direction, that is along the Z axis up to the 7 millimeter, so that it will be reached at reference plane. Is it clear? Now, after completing the machining operation, you have to move the tool to the machine reference position or home position with the code G28, that is block number N120, G28 end of the block. Then next block is N130, M05, M09. M05 means spindle stop, M09 coolant off. Is it okay? And last block is N140, M02 end of the block. Program end. Is it okay? Do you understand this program? Here you have to first find out, study the job drawing carefully, find out the tool path according to the profile, then find out the coordinates very carefully, write down the coordinates of various points, and write a program according to your tool path. Is it okay? Thank you.